Hi everybody, there's Bouncy. We are back for part 2 of the Spring Winter Storm 2018. As you can see, we got a lot of money. Well, I don't know why I said money. We got a lot of snow. I'd say half a foot or more. There's a little pathway that my dad made that leads to the shed, but we are not going back there. We're about to go out into the snow, and I'm not going to throw Bouncy into the snow because it's too deep. And I'm going to shovel during this video, but I'm going to wait. Well, you'll see what I'm talking about in a little bit. Alright, let's head outside. Alright, we are outside. The snow and the light it's reflecting off is very bright. It's blinding me. Anyway, this is how much snow we've got. And my dad shoveled a couple hours ago, and look at it now. I can barely even see the screen, and the white balance might have a hard time adjusting. I can't really tell. We're gonna use this snowman measuring stick. Okay, it's focused on it. And see how much snow we've got. And then after this portion, I'm gonna shovel. Oh, we got at least 7 inches. Or 7.5 inches of snow. Alright. Anyway, now, we got 7.5 inches of snow so far. And there's my footprints right there. I can't tell if it's focused or not. Anyway, I'm gonna shovel, and I'm gonna get back to you right after. Alright, here's a look what it looks like after shoveling. Can't really see down there, but how do you think it looks? Alright. Excuse me. I'm really excited for this weekend. I'm really excited for this weekend because we're going to the Liverpool cabin. The next video you're going to see is of this week's devotional. Anyway, this is all the coverage for this Spring Winter Storm 2018. Thank you very much for watching, and that's it. Now you need to recover.